Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about getting your business funded without the bank.
So, let me ask a quick question for all you business owners out there.
If you're nodding your head right now, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. You see opportunities all around you. Ways to grow, ways to boost profits. But the problem? The big banks just don't see it the same way you do.
So, what's the number one reason businesses actually fail? It's probably not what you think.
Yep, they just run out of cash. You can be profitable but still not have money for bills. And this right here, this is the core of the problem. Banks are playing a totally different game. Which means you're stuck hearing all this while great opportunities just slip away. Okay, so let's flip this whole thing on its head. Let's think about funding differently. Because funding isn't just a loan, right? It's a tool to help you say yes. And working capital, that's the fuel for your business. It's what keeps the engine running. And the good news is there are newer options that look at your real performance. And that's exactly where a service like fundmycompanynow.com comes into the picture. Their whole mission is simple: get you the funding you need without all the usual headaches. And the process is super simple. Just a few questions online and you're on your way. So you get options that are actually designed for your business, not for some old school bank. So what could you do with this? Well, think about inventory, for example. Or what about that new piece of equipment you need? The one that could win you bigger jobs. Maybe it's finally running that big marketing campaign to bring in a flood of new clients. Or, just bridging those cash flow gaps so you can pay your people and your rent. Look, if any of this hits home, what you have isn't a problem, it's an opportunity. And the next step to unlocking it is actually really simple. Just head over to fundmycompanynow.com. You can see what you might qualify for right there. So really, the only question is, why let another great opportunity just pass you by?